Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix no active device used for your location. You can check your settings in Find My. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that scroll it below, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of iPhone. So guys, after doing this, then again go back and tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that you are not connected any VPN on your device. If they are a connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that again go back and tap on privacy and settings. Simply tap on location services. So guys, turn it off and again turn it on, and after that share my location. So guys, simply turn it off and turn it on again back, and again go back, and from here guys simply again tap on general and tap on iPhone storage and search for Find My. So guys, here it is. So guys, simply tap on offload the app, and after that reinstall the app. So guys, after doing this, again go back and restart your device for one time. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.